Hello guys, welcome to Deepak Parekh Clips. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is one particular clip from the main episode, the link to which is in the description. Please click on it to watch the full video. And meanwhile you're here, enjoy this clip.
You go to Bihar. I am just taking an example.
Give me a setup. Give me the setting. We are in Bihar. What is the talk about? Who's the audience?
The talk, you go to a particular village in Bihar.
Okay.
You go to a panchayat in Bihar,
Cool.
in a particular village.
Cool.
The audience consists of all the people from that particular town or village.
Cool.
I am assuming they are not adept at English. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
I don't know why. This is just an example. I have to set context straight up. I'm sorry, this is an example.
it's just
this is
realistic.
an example. I have to be very cautious about that. Anyway, so
Yeah, I'm suffering the consequences right now as we speak.
we'll see where this goes. So ये scenario है.
हाँ.
You are going to the पंचायत और आपको बोला गया है कि आपको periods के बारे में बात करनी है
Okay.
और as a
To a male audience or a female audience?
दोनों है.
Okay, ठीक है.
दोनों है. ठीक है. As a man, the audience is weirded out as men. कि ओहो क्या है ये क्या है. Women of course know the drill, so पता ही है उनको. You have to talk about period care, period health, etc., etc. How would you approach this scenario?
Me personally?
You as a speaker.
Okay.
What would you wear? What would you talk about? How would you prepare in general?
Right. So आपने पूरा सेटअप तो मुझे वहीं पे दे दिया कि ओके दिस इज द ऑडियंस. ठीक है. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स फ्रॉम अ वेरी रिमोट विलेज वेयर दे आर नॉट अडेप्ट विद द लैंग्वेज विद इंग्लिश लेट्स से एंड दे आर ऑल्सो रिजर्व्ड कि हो ये कौन सा टॉपिक है. दिस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट वी टॉक अबाउट ओपनली. लेकिन समहाउ पीपल हैव द पंचायत पीपल हैव मैनेज देम टू
Sit down.
वहाँ
Yeah,
बैठो
for this.
सुनना है
हाँ.
किसी को. तो बोलेंगे अच्छा कोई मैडम आ रही है बाहर से, कोई आपको बताने आ रहा है कुछ
Madam,
हाँ
good language,
गुड
ठीक है.
लैंग्वेज. ठीक है. ये होने
हाँ.
वाला है. तो उनके माइंड में ऑलरेडी कहीं ना कहीं देर आर टू थिंग्स हैपनिंग इन बिफोर इवन आई गो देयर. इसकी कोई मैडम आने वाली है, somebody who is going to teach us something. तो नेचुरली वो एक टीचर पेरेंट चाइल्ड वाला एक एंगल है, वो
Some
टीचर
hierarchy is
स्टूडेंट
there.
वाला
Some
सम
hierarchy is
हायरार्की
there.
ऑलरेडी कम्स इन. लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम हैविंग अंडरस्टूड दैट हायरार्की दे आर आल्सो नॉट कंप्लीटली ओपन टू मी राइट नाउ बिकॉज दे डोंट रिलेट टू मी. कौन है, कहाँ से, बाहर से, कोई शहर वहर से आ रहे हैं, भाई हमको नहीं समझ में आता ये सब. तो देर इज़ ऑल्सो लिटिल बिट ऑफ फियर / मिक्सड विथ कंटेम्प्ट कि कौन है बाहर से, कौन आके क्या सिखाने वाला है, देख लेंगे. राइट.
ठीक है.
So there's a combination of people. As human beings, we don't experience just one emotion. We experience a mix of different emotions. So this is probably that's what they're feeling. Now, I'm not saying it's correct, but this is a temperature, average temperature of the setup. So पहली बात तो I'll understand that. Number 2, I will make sure that I speak. Let's assume that they know Hindi. ठीक है. तो I'll make sure that I'm delivering in Hindi. Language मैंने वहीं पे setup कर दिया. तीसरी चीज़, I'm possibly going to go in Indian wear. ठीक है. अ कुर्ती, पलाजो, दुपट्टा. कुर्ती में भी, लेकिन I will make sure that I have a kurti that has a collar on it.
Why?
Because collar is the second level. बिना कॉलर के too much approachability. With collar they are open now कि मैडम है कुछ बताने आई है. They are more receptive to this teacher student dynamic. अगर मैं बिल्कुल उनके ही हॉरिजॉन्टल पे रहकर अगर मैं बात करूं तो शायद दे माइट नॉट बी ओपन और दे माइट नॉट बी कम्प्लीटली रिसेप्टिव टू इट. क्योंकि ये बात तो उनके दोस्त भी कर ही सकते थे, ये बात तो उनके आसपास जो गांव में साथ में रह रहे हैं वो भी कर ही सकते, लेकिन दे नॉट रिसेप्टिव टू दैट. राइट. दे नीड समबडी हु दे परसीव एज एन अथॉरिटी टू कम एंड टेल देम, बट नॉट सो मच गैप इन द अथॉरिटी कि यार वी डोंट रिलेट एट ऑल, शी इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम द सेम वर्ल्ड. ठीक है. सो आई विल वेयर इंडियन stuff, ठीक है, kurta pajama, something like that, with a collar. I would preferably go for lighter colors like white, pastel, pinks, because colors like white, pastel, pinks, they give you an air of, let's say, purity, let's say like saaf. There's no agenda behind it. आप कितने भी आप think about all of these celebrity arrests that happen. आप कोई भी इंसिडेंट उठाकर देख लो. If you look at documentaries and all that, when they're arrested or when they go for their trials or when they go for, when they get summoned,
They're in white.
everybody's in white kurtis. Every single person. And which is a smart move. It is again perception. Just think about
So
it.
why is that? It's because they
It's
want
kind
to
of
give a
psychology.
signal that
They want to give a signal
you're
that
innocent.
I'm innocent. Which is fine, it's working. I mean, if it works, it works. You do your best to make your case. But that's the reason behind it. आप कभी black या red नहीं पहन कर जाओगे. वो आप
Got
parties
it.
में पहनो. लेकिन यहाँ पे नहीं. Right? So having said all of this, if I had to tell you one thing, कि कोई भी चीज़ करते समय आप सिर्फ अगर एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखो वो है receptivity. मेरा audience open होना चाहिए to listen to me.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, share it around on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, Tinder, Bumble, every single where, because we need that traction. But thank you so much for watching the video, and you will come across every new clip every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys around. Thank you. Cheers.